Hey, how are you guys? I go Web Solution here. We're going to talk about web design and development top elements. Number one is registration of your website. You want to register your website under your name. Number two is have a reliable hosting service. I recommend SiteGround. Number three, create web pages and navigation. Number four is optimize your content and images. You want to make sure you have the proper naming and wording. Number five is create a reliable contact form for your website. Don't forget the privacy policy for your website, terms and condition, terms of use. Have a clear call to action. Number nine is have your business email set up. It's a professional business email. Add your products or service, have security SSL, and that is it. iGo Web Solution top 11 elements for web design and development.